We all know what it feels like to be tired. The fog, the irritability, the sense that the world is just a little too sharp. But what's really happening inside your body when you don't sleep enough? Why does one bad night throw everything off? And why do a few sleepless weeks make you feel like a different person entirely? Tonight, we're going to explore that. Calmly, clearly, and without jargon. You'll see what lack of sleep does to your brain, your hormones, your emotions, and your long-term health. Not to scare you, but to help you understand what your body is trying to tell you when it begs for rest. Let's start where it all begins. The brain. The brain on no sleep. Imagine your brain as a busy city that runs 24 hours a day. During the day, the traffic is constant. Thoughts, memories, decisions, emotions, all rushing through neural highways. When you sleep, that city doesn't shut down. It cleans up. Street sweepers clear away chemical waste, and new connections are built where learning happened during the day. When you skip sleep, the cleanup crew never arrives. The brain fills with leftover molecules like adenosine and metabolic waste. That buildup slows reaction time, dulls memory, and makes it harder to focus. You start missing details, misplacing words, rereading the same sentence 3 times. The prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for logic and control, begins to fade in activity. Meanwhile, the amygdala, your emotional alarm system, becomes hyperactive. That's why after a bad night, small problems feel bigger. You're not weak. Your emotional filter is offline. Your brain literally loses the balance between reason and reaction. Sleep isn't laziness, it's emotional regulation. It's the moment your brain resets its chemistry so you can face the next day without drowning in noise. Your hormones, the hidden symphony every night. Your body performs a delicate hormonal dance. Growth hormone repairs tissue. Melatonin synchronizes your circadian rhythm. Cortisol, the stress hormone, drops so your body can rest. When you don't sleep enough, that entire system goes out of tune. Cortisol stays high into the morning, which keeps your heart rate and blood pressure elevated. Insulin sensitivity drops, which means your body starts storing more fat, even if you don't eat more. And ghrelin, the hunger hormone, rises while leptin, the fullness hormone, drops. That's why sleep deprivation makes you crave sugar, carbs, and comfort food. Your body isn't asking for calories, it's asking for energy that sleep was supposed to give. Even one night of poor sleep changes your hormonal landscape. Several nights in a row start rewriting it. Your body becomes confused about what time it is, what to eat, and when to rest. The irony is that people often drink coffee to fix fatigue. But caffeine only delays adenosine buildup, masking the problem without removing it. You're borrowing energy from tomorrow's body, the immune system. Always listening while you sleep. Your immune system runs a nightly audit. It produces cytokines, tiny proteins that help fight infection and inflammation. If you don't give it that time, your defenses weaken. That's why people who sleep less than 7 hours a night are nearly 3 times more likely to catch a cold after exposure to a virus, compared to those who sleep 8 or more. Your body literally loses time to repair and protect. Chronic sleep deprivation keeps your immune system slightly inflamed. A constant low-level alert. That inflammation is linked to everything from headaches and muscle pain to depression and heart disease. Your body's alarms start ringing all the time, even when there's nothing to fix. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's about maintenance. Skipping it is like skipping oil changes in a car. You can keep driving, but the system starts wearing down in ways you can't see until something breaks. The emotional side, mood, memory, and meaning when you don't sleep. It's not just the brain that slows down. Your emotions get distorted. The amygdala becomes 60% more reactive to negative stimuli. That means you're more likely to interpret neutral faces as threatening, small setbacks as failures, and tiny delays as disasters. Everything feels amplified. At the same time, the hippocampus, your brain's memory hub, struggles to record new information. You forget details, lose focus, and stop connecting events meaningfully. It's like your mind is taking pictures, but the film is missing. And then there's dopamine, the motivation chemical. After sleep deprivation, dopamine spikes briefly, giving you false energy. Then it crashes, leaving you unmotivated and emotionally flat. The result? You're tired but wired, anxious and numb at the same time. It's a state the body was never designed to live in for long. The physical toll? From cells to skin, even your appearance reflects sleep loss. During deep sleep, blood flow to the skin increases, collagen repairs damage, and muscles rebuild. When you skip that stage, your body prioritizes survival, not beauty. That's why your skin looks dull, your eyes puff, and healing slows. At the cellular level, mitochondria, the energy centers of your cells, start to struggle. Oxidative stress rises, meaning your cells accumulate more damage from daily metabolism. You age faster, not just in looks, but in biology. Sleep isn't passive. It's the most active restoration your body performs. When you skip it, every system pays. The deeper truth about sleep debt, some people say, "I'll catch up on sleep later." But here's the truth. You can recover some energy, but you can't fully erase sleep debt. Lost deep sleep can be replaced. Your body prioritizes recovery, but the long-term effects still accumulate. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's disease. Researchers have found that during deep sleep, cerebrospinal fluid flows through the brain, washing away toxins, including beta amyloid, the protein linked to Alzheimer's. When you sleep less, that cleanup slows down. It's like the night shift didn't show up. Sleep isn't optional maintenance. It's essential survival, reclaiming balance. The good news is that your body forgives quickly. Even after a few nights of poor rest, 1 or 2 nights of quality sleep can reset hormone levels, reduce inflammation, and restore mood balance. You don't have to fix your sleep by force. You just have to respect it. To make space for it the way you make space for eating or breathing. Start simple. Dim lights an hour before bed. Keep caffeine earlier in the day. Keep your room cool and dark. And try to wake up at the same time every morning, even on weekends. It's not about rigid control. It's about rhythm. When your body knows the rhythm, it can dance again. The bigger perspective. We often treat sleep as something we have to earn a reward for finishing the day's work. But sleep is not the end of the day. It's the beginning of the next. It's the reset that makes everything else work. Every hour of sleep is your brain's investment in clarity, your body's investment in healing, and your spirit's investment in balance. When you understand that, you stop asking, "How little can I get away with?" And you start asking, "How good can I let myself feel?" Your body already knows the answer. It's waiting for you in the dark every night, ready to begin again. Good night.